Top 5 benefits of raising chickens on your farm. Today, we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, the top 5 benefits of raising chickens on your farm. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, keeping chickens can offer some fantastic advantages. Let's dive in. Benefit number 1. Fresh eggs. There's nothing quite like collecting fresh eggs from your own backyard. Not only are they delicious, but they're also healthier and more nutritious than store-bought eggs. Your hens will lay eggs regularly, giving you a constant supply of fresh, high-quality eggs for your family. Plus, you have control over what your chickens eat, which means you can ensure your eggs are organic and free from chemicals. It's a win-win. Benefit number 2, natural pest control. Chickens are fantastic at keeping pests under control. They love to eat insects, worms, and even small rodents. By letting your chickens roam around your garden or farm, they'll naturally reduce the population of pests, which means less damage to your crops and fewer pests to deal with. Chickens can help control pests like ticks, beetles, and grasshoppers. It's a natural and eco-friendly way to keep your farm healthy. Benefit number 3, fertilizer production. Chicken manure is one of the best fertilizers you can use for your garden. It's rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential nutrients for plant growth. By composting chicken manure and mixing it into your soil, you can significantly boost the health and productivity of your crops. Just make sure to compost it properly before using it, as fresh manure can be too strong and might burn your plants. But once composted, it's gardening gold. Benefit number 4, educational opportunities. Raising chickens can be a great learning experience, especially for kids. It teaches them responsibility, animal care, and where their food comes from. It's a hands-on way to learn about biology, ecology, and sustainability. Plus, chickens are fascinating animals with unique behaviors, making them great subjects for observation and study. Having chickens can also bring your family closer together as you share the responsibilities and joys of caring for your flock. Benefit number 5, stress relief and companionship. Spending time with chickens can be incredibly relaxing. Watching their antics, listening to their clucking, and simply being around them can reduce stress and improve your mood. Chickens are also surprisingly affectionate and can become quite friendly with regular interaction. They can provide companionship and be a delightful addition to your farm life. So there you have it, fresh eggs, natural pest control, fertilizer production, educational opportunities, and stress relief. Raising chickens offers numerous benefits that can enhance your farm and your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mbuvi Farm for more farming tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or tips of your own about raising chickens, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy farming.